Good morning, students. Today we are in history. National movement, the early phase, 1885 to 1990. This is a 11A lesson in history. The national movement in India forms an important epoch in history as it helped to weld diverse people and sections of society into one nation. All sections came together to not only fight against the British rule but also to build a new country. The national movement in India forms an important epoch in history as it helped to weld diverse people and sections of society into one nation. In India, in those times, the people of different society, different community get together, fight against British. For that, they gathered for one group. All sections came together to not only fight against the British rule but also build a new country. Their aim and ambition to build new India. The soldiers, orderly peasants, artisans and landlords and even princes joined the struggle against the British rule. While the movement was opposed to the British, it did not have any new vision of the country. It in fact wanted to restore the rule of the old kings and queens and also the same caste-based society. We already seen in 7th class in 1857 revolution. At that time all the together and fight against British. All the queens and kings also participate in that movement. And farmers, landlords, all persons joined in that movement. With the growth of English education, with the growth of English education during the last 19th century, in some major cities like Kolkata, Madras, and Bombay, a new consequences began to develop. In main cities, some of main cities in India, Kolkata, Madras, Bombay, in those areas, all people are anxiety to development their cities and India. So they participate in each and every moment. The intellectuals of the time opposed to inequalities and injustice. In some of the people fear about the British rule and they participate against British. So the growth in them growth was growth because of their English education. The world inequalities and injustice of the world system, social systems. They wanted to democratic political order, and they wanted at the same time to point out the explanation and injustice caused by the British rule and fight against it. This was the beginning of the national movement in India. Thank you.